Hi, welcome to SignTribe.com. My name is Luann Sailors, founder and owner of SignTribe. So I'm just going to jump right in and show you the new website. Today is January 1st, 2020, and we are launching today. So I just wanted to give you a brief overview of the website, and then you can go check it out for yourself. So this is going to be a membership site, and it's $10 a month to join. And it's very easy to click this button, register now, and enter in your information on the secure site and go ahead and join our community. So now let me show you what you get with the $10 a month. So I will have tutorials teaching you how to teach sign language to children who have disabilities. We'll also have other videos related to special needs as well. The video cards will show you what those look like. And basically it's a virtual, just online library of words and showing you how to sign those words in sign language. And they are very organized, and you'll see that as well here in a minute. The lessons are going to be organized by units, and there will be lessons within each unit. So every month there will be new videos in the tutorials for special needs and also the lessons. And there will be 20 new video cards added each month. So that's going to be the benefit of being a monthly subscriber, is that you will receive new words and videos and lessons every month for you to view. So now let's check out the video cards first. So on the video cards page, there are 20 categories. Within each one of these categories, there are going to be 10 words, one more or less in some of them, but in all there are just over 200 video cards in total. So the 20 new video cards that are going to be added each month are going to be distributed among these categories, or I might start a new category or two with them. So for example, in this weather category, I might put 5 new video cards in this one, start a new category with 10 cards, and then put 5 in a different category. So the 20 new video cards will be distributed among all the categories, or to create a new category each month. So you'll see the 10 video cards here that have to do with weather, and each video card has a video with audio, a picture, and the word in English and the word in Spanish. With my experience with teaching special education and also English language learners and also students who are deaf and hard of hearing, I have come to the conclusion that there are many different learning needs, and students have preferences on how they like to learn. So within each video card, you will see something like this, and there's a visual, the word, and the audio and video as well, so that way you can see and learn the words according to how you learn best, and associate it with the visual, associate it with the word in English or Spanish. And I also show different angles. All of the video cards are going to be like this, in depth, and also detailed signs for you, so that way you can learn easily and quickly. So again, these are all the video card categories that we currently have. And in the lessons, right now we have 2 units, Foundations and Fundamental Sign Language. In the Foundations unit, there are 6 lessons. And let's see, let me click on lesson 4, right hand or left. In some of these beginner lessons, I am speaking to you about concepts and things like that. To provide clarification on just some of the basics of sign language. These are all questions I get all the time. So again, the lessons right now have 2 units. And in the special needs category, I have 3 units on using sign, how to teach sign language, and modified sign language. So in using sign language, I have 3 categories on how you can teach sign language to children with special needs. So I hope you check it out, and thank you so much for stopping by. Happy New Year.